Hey YouTube, so if you have one of the umbrellas that extends over, you probably have had the same problem that I have, which is in the wind, and it gets windy around here. Look at the trees. It blows over, so that's a problem. So what I'm doing now is I'm setting up a base which should make it solid, and basically what I'm doing is I'm putting 4 blocks on the bottom, and then I picked up a vinyl base that I'm going to fill up with stands. So let me put the blocks in first, then we'll get the base and we'll get this going. Hopefully when this is done, it won't move anywhere. Okay, so this is what I picked up. This is basically, it's like a fancy duffel bag, I guess, that's made for this. It's got a hole in the middle. It actually Velcros down the side. You can see, so you can stick this down. You pop this open and we're going to fill it with sand. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Much easier with 2 hands. But you basically open that up. We're going to fill that with the sand I have here, and that is going to help weigh this down. So let's fill it up. And I filled this thing up with about 50 pounds of sand now, and this whole thing is solid. I'm going to put the umbrella back on, but I don't think we're going to have an issue at all. Hey YouTube. So I moved my umbrella up onto my deck with the blocks in the base that I filled up, and this thing is rock solid. The umbrella itself may wave a little in the wind, but it's not going anywhere. Let me see if I could show you this. Literally, I'm shaking this thing, and it's barely even moving. So this base itself is working really good for me. It's solid. It's definitely not falling over. So we can now enjoy the umbrella right where it is. So this is a pretty inexpensive solution for a base, if you're looking for a base for your offset umbrella. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.